Comedian Kunal Kamra has put out a statement, in fact an elaborate statement, and refusing to apologize despite the vandalism that happened. In fact, he's gone on further to say it's unfair to target the comedy club where he performed for my joke. The comedy club, the venue, which was vandalized by the Shiv Sena workers and supporters of Eknath Shinde, to which Kunal Kamra says that the venue is not responsible for my comedy. Will the law be fair for vandals? He says, I'm ready to cooperate with the law, but will the law be fair against those who vandalized the venue? Kunal Kamra also adding, making a joke on the leader is not illegal. He's also said that he is not going to back down. He's not going to apologize on that. But remember, for now, this is going to be possibly will become further trouble for Kunal Kamra. I want to bring in my colleague Ritwik Bhalekar for the latest on that. Ritwik, good morning. Tell us more about the statement that in fact runs about 4 pages by Kunal Kamra. He shared it on his social media site. What are the contents?
Yes, very good morning, Pooja. So, yesterday night when Kunal Kamra, after a row over his stand-up on Deputy CM Eknath Shinde, he has refused to apologize. But at the same time, CM Devendra Fadnavis yesterday has categorically said that such gigs or such humor will not be accepted, which infringes or encroaches anyone else's freedom. And Maharashtra government is planning to take strictest action against such stand-up comedians. Even Samay Rana was summoned by the police, and he had just appeared yesterday and had a 6-long-hour investigation. Now we need to see that what Kunal Kamra would be facing, because he had clearly refused to apologize, and we need to see that what action Maharashtra government will be taking against him.
Stay on with me, Ritwik, because is this about simply creative content, freedom of expression, to have a political satire, even if it may seem inappropriate and offensive to the supporters? But for now, is it also as much about a certain responsibility on the shoulders of the content creators?